morning everyone and welcome to today's vlog. Today is going to be very fun. Today is going to be a good day and here's why. If you get that reference, let me know. I just watched it and crying. Today's going to be a good day because I'm going to an animal sanctuary with it's the animal rights club at my university, but it's kind of like the vegan club. But we're going to an we're going to an animal sanctuary that's a couple hours away, and we're just going to go and like take care of the animals a little bit, help clean up, and just get to play with them. So I thought I would bring you guys along because like I thought that would be very fun, and I'm very excited. So it's super early right now. It takes a little while to get to, and we have to be there at 9. It's 6:30 right now. I got up a little while ago and I need to be at the place that we're meeting for the carpooling at 6:50, but I can walk there, so that's great. But now I'm just going to maybe watch a couple YouTube videos, like 1 or 2, and then I'm gonna drink my green smoothie that I have right here. Where's the lighting? There we go. I just made this green smoothie that's rather large, and it's got 2 bananas, some frozen mango, like it was like a pureed frozen thing, and I put some of that in there, and then I had some mixed frozen fruit that I put in that also had mango. I just really love mango, and some spinach to make it green. So yes, I'm just going to drink that. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to finish it before I leave, but I probably will, knowing myself. I'm going to finish that and then we're going to head over. But I just thought I would show you guys my outfit today. It's a little flashback to the last vlog I had, and it's just very exciting. It's my BBB top. Hey girl. I'm going to take some nice pictures in it today, hopefully with like a cow. Because we're gonna be like hanging out with cows and stuff. And then I just got these like, they're kind of high-waisted. They're high-waisted black pants. And then I'm gonna wear shoes, obviously some old like Converse type shoes because we're going to be with animals and it's going to be dirty. So I'm gonna get to my smoothie and I will see you guys soon. Let's go have a fun day. Get the Hi Ariel. Hi. It's so many long time no see. Yay, it's Ariel. I haven't seen you in so long. It's been forever. So long. But look at this quality though. It's amazing. It's so good. We're gonna go pet pigs today. Then you'll find some ways and do you remember Admiral McFluffy Boots? He's the chicken. Chicken? Is that the one that's there? Yeah. And there's Tinsel, the cow. I don't know if we should. And Lucy, the blind pig. I don't remember that one. She's the red one. She's blind. And then there's the big dogs. You'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yes, Ariel.
The thing is, like when I was walking down there,
I record everything.
there's a lot of soft sand, like a lot of soft sand, and then down there that sign says no road. Here, hold on. That was my workout.
I got it on here. It was fun.
We're lost.
Shh. It's fine.
Here, wait.
We're good.
You're doing great, Lauren.
You got this. We did it.
That's a call.
Oh, these were here last time.
Immediately.
Cute.
I got you, buddy.
Oh, look, watch. She's gonna like roll over. Are you gonna roll over on your tummy?
Are you gonna roll over? Are you sweet? Hi, friend. What are you doing? Hi, little one.
Are you whining? You're like, hi. You're precious.
Hi. What are you doing? Hello. Dog tag.
You're wonderful.
Where
are the... So great.
Someone just give him a banana peel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I had one, so instead of throwing it out, yeah.
Put it to good use.
mobbing him.
He's fine, he's really friendly. Oh, this is her brother, Paul.
Hi, Paul.
Hi.
You guys are so cute.
Wondering how that tastes.
Not very good. I promise. Hey, little one. His eyes are so pretty. Hi, friend.
So sad.
Whatever. Oh, there is a lizard in there. That's cool. Hi, friend. We found a cow. Look at it. Hello. Can I pet you?
Okay, let me hear the cow.
Ah!
Chillin' with some cow.
Hello.
Come on.
What you doing? A little cow.
Hey.
And a little pig. Hello, pig. Hello, pig. Hi. What are you doing? It's a cow. Hi, cow. Tinsel. I know your name.
That's my name.
Hi, Tinsel. Do you want to come join us?
Banana.
Come on, Tinsel. You want a banana? You want a banana?
Pig, do pigs look up though?
Kind of.
Hi.
Yeah, this is some big shit. Some big shit. Hi, Holly. How you doing? Hi, Holly.
I know, she's gross.
What you doing? Tinsel, you came to join us. What's up?
Get those smiles out of your face.
Will someone take a picture of me in front of the cow?
I think looking really stupid. Wait, what am I reading?
What's up, Tinsel? Hey, bro. What you doing? Hmm?
Giant kitty. Come here.
Hello.
Come here, baby.
Hi.
Come here.
What are you doing?
I know I like
There you are. Hi. So pretty. Yeah, you are. He's almost there. Oh, what a cutie.
The belly rubs.
Hi. Oh, you're so precious. Hi, Tinsel. Yeah. I'm eating my apple now because I'm hungry and it tastes delicious. But I just got done working. Now we're just playing with the animals. I don't know where Ariel went though. I'm gonna go find her.
Just like bite it in half.
I guess so. I don't know. Here, I'll feed this one. Do you want to feed that one?
Yeah, you feed them.
Okay. Hey, buddy. Do you want the apple? Look at that. What's that there? But no, this. Look at this. Look at that. Who's gonna get it? You're gonna get it. There we go. Hi, friends. Pretty. What's up, dude? What's up? What's up, guys? Oh, we have a new friend. He's very large. Oh, he gets the whole apple?
Yeah, he gets the whole thing. Can I bite it?
I think so. Aww. Did you eat it? Please don't eat my pants again.
They don't like it.
It's a banana.
Oh, big cow.
Oh, he ate it. What's up, friend? What's up? What's up, dude? You can barely see his nose move under the hay.
It's like laying an egg.
Kaz just laying an egg. Yes, we're talking about you. Can you say hello? Do you want to say hello? Oh, you're so cute. You're so precious. I'm just gonna chill. It's fine. You're a cutie. Little. Oh, okay. Hi, little one. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hi. My chicken friend. Do you remember his name?
No.
Something like Fluffy Pants. And he's just chilling.
With the collar.
Hi, Ozzy. Can you give me your paw? Can you give me your paw? Or you just want to snuggle?
Working with them here and there. Well, I don't want to touch them and I'll feed them and bring them back without letting
Hi,
them
your
in.
precious. Hello.
But if he goes out the gate one time, I got to start all over.
Thank you.
Is this Patrick, yeah? The little white one?
Him and Jack are brothers.
The feet, yeah. They love a scratch behind the ear as well.
Yeah.
I was putting one to sleep before. He just collapsed as soon as I started.
Oh. Like on the head here? Or
Like right behind the ears. This guy's not ready for this much.
Mildred. Mildred was back there, but it's another one that he said was like 1,200. That was
Karma cream.
And it tastes a lot like actual turkey.
Everyone.
This is
Pumped. Written 2 years, didn't see Alex's mother dead, written half dead. In her own synthetic. Alex got better, but his mother went quick. Hey guys, I am back from the animal sanctuary. I just got home. It's like 6:15. Basically, what you guys saw was me going to get dinner slash like lunch at this place near Gainesville. Well, it's in Gainesville. It's near the college UF. And it was so good. It's called Karma Cream. So recommend if you guys are in the area. I got this like Reuben sandwich thing, which was okay. I'm not the biggest fan of Reubens. I know now. I didn't know before, but I thought I would try it just to be adventurous. But it was good for what it was, so I'm happy. I'm just not a big fan of sauerkraut, I guess, but I know that now, but it was still good. And then it was the Sunday special, and I got 2 different kinds of ice cream and cookie dough bites and peanut butter like something, and like, oh my god, I like felt sick when I was finished eating it, but it was so good, and it was all completely vegan and organic. So if you guys are in the area, definitely go check that out. Now that I'm home, I need to take a shower because I feel disgusting. I feel so gross. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for following me around for today. I hope you guys had fun. I love going to animal sanctuaries and just seeing what we can do to help out the animals and also getting to play with them. And we got a lot of playtime with the animals today, so that was really cool. And I got to meet a bunch of new friends, which is always good. And I got to wear my BVB top. Yes. So that was really fun. But now I'm going to head to the shower, and this video will be up in a couple days, I believe. Not sure when, but when you guys see this, have a good day. I'm gonna have a good night sleeping because I'm exhausted. If you guys like this video, comment below if you have any questions about how you guys can help animals at animal sanctuaries, and just other questions if you have them or whatever. I'm rambling, so I'm gonna go, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.